As the first light of dawn begins to touch the quiet edges of the countryside, a soft mist lingers over fields and forests, and the world slowly awakens from the stillness of night. In these gentle, shifting moments between darkness and day, a subtle presence moves almost unseen, a creature both familiar and mysterious, known for its intelligence, adaptability, and quiet elegance. This is the fox. Across continents and climates, foxes have carved out a place for themselves in an extraordinary range of environments. From the frozen tundras of the north to warm grasslands, deep forests, and even the edges of human cities, they have learned not only to survive, but to thrive. Their success lies not in strength or size, but in something far more subtle: a sharp mind, keen senses, and an ability to adapt to a constantly changing world. In the early morning light, a fox emerges from its den. Its coat, rich in shades of red, gold, or gray, depending on the species, catches the soft glow of sunrise. Its ears stand alert, turning slightly to capture even the faintest sound. Its eyes, bright and watchful, scan the landscape with quiet focus. The fox pauses, listening. In this stillness, the world speaks in whispers. The rustle of grass, the distant call of birds, the faint movement of something hidden beneath the soil. For the fox, these small signals are everything. Foxes belong to the canine family, yet they differ in many ways from their larger relatives such as wolves or domestic dogs. They are generally solitary animals, moving alone through their territories rather than in packs. This independence allows them to adapt quickly and make decisions based on immediate conditions. Their territories vary widely depending on the environment. In open countryside, a fox may roam across fields and hedgerows, while in forests it moves between dense undergrowth and clearings. In some parts of the world, foxes have even adapted to life in urban areas, navigating streets and gardens with surprising ease. As the morning progresses, the fox begins its search for food. Foxes are omnivores, meaning their diet includes both animals and plants. This flexibility is one of their greatest strengths. Small mammals, such as rodents, are often a primary source of food, but foxes will also eat birds, insects, fruits, and even scraps left behind by other animals. In a grassy field, the fox slows its pace. Its ears tilt forward, focusing intently. Beneath the surface of the earth, hidden from view, a small rodent moves through its burrow. The fox listens carefully. It adjusts its position, aligning itself with the faint sound below. Then, in a sudden and precise movement, it leaps high into the air and dives downward, landing exactly where the sound originated. This remarkable hunting technique, often called the mousing leap, allows the fox to catch prey hidden beneath grass or snow. Success is not guaranteed every time. Like many predators, the fox must attempt several hunts before it secures a meal. But patience and persistence are part of its nature. After feeding, the fox continues its journey, moving lightly across the landscape. Its paws make almost no sound, allowing it to travel quietly even across dry leaves or gravel. As the sun climbs higher, the environment begins to change. The cool air of morning gives way to warmth, and many animals become less active. The fox, too, slows down. It finds a shaded area beneath a tree or within dense vegetation and rests. Here, it conserves energy, remaining alert but calm. During these quiet hours, the fox may groom its fur, keeping its coat clean and in good condition. Its thick tail, often tipped with white or black, serves not only as a balance while running, but also as a blanket during colder weather. In colder regions, such as the Arctic, the fox takes on an entirely different appearance. The Arctic fox, with its thick white fur, blends perfectly into snowy landscapes. Its coat changes with the seasons, turning brown or gray in summer to match the earth and rocks. This ability to adapt visually to the environment is another example of the fox's remarkable versatility. As afternoon fades into evening, the world begins to shift once more. Shadows grow longer, temperatures cool, and the fox becomes active again. Dusk is a time of opportunity. Small animals emerge from hiding, and the fox begins another search for food. Its senses are sharp in the fading light. Its hearing can detect the slightest movement, and its sense of smell guides it across long distances. In forested areas, the fox moves between trees, weaving silently through roots and fallen branches. In open fields, it travels along hedgerows, using natural cover to remain unseen. Sometimes the fox encounters others of its kind. Though generally solitary, foxes do communicate with one another through a variety of vocalizations and scent markings. A sudden bark or a high-pitched scream may echo through the twilight, signaling territory or calling to a mate. These sounds, though unfamiliar to many, are a natural part of the fox's world. During the breeding season, foxes form temporary pairs. A den is prepared, often in a sheltered location such as a hillside or beneath tree roots. Here, the female gives birth to a litter of young, known as kits. The arrival of the kits marks a busy and demanding time. Both parents may play a role in providing food and protection. The young foxes are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mother during the first weeks of life. As they grow, their eyes open and curiosity begins to take hold. They venture out of the den, exploring their surroundings under the watchful eyes of their parents. Play becomes an important part of their development. Through chasing, pouncing, and wrestling, the young foxes learn the skills they will need to survive. Each movement is a lesson. Each game is preparation for life beyond the den. As the seasons change, the young foxes gradually become independent. They leave their birthplace and begin to establish territories of their own. This cycle of life continues, generation after generation, shaped by the rhythms of nature and the challenges of the environment. In recent times, foxes have demonstrated an extraordinary ability to adapt to the presence of humans. In towns and cities, they navigate streets, parks, and gardens with surprising confidence. They move quietly through the night, often unseen, finding food in unexpected places and using urban structures as shelter. This adaptability has allowed fox populations to persist even as natural habitats change. Yet, despite their success, foxes still face challenges. Loss of habitat, changes in climate, and interactions with humans can affect their populations. Understanding and respecting their role in the ecosystem is essential for maintaining balance. Foxes are not merely survivors, they are important participants in the natural world, helping to control populations of small animals and contributing to the health of their environments. As night falls once more, the fox moves silently beneath the cover of darkness. The moon rises, casting a gentle glow across fields and forests. Stars appear overhead, and the world grows quiet again. In this peaceful darkness, the fox continues its journey, unseen, unheard, yet always present. A shadow in the grass, a movement in the trees, a quiet life unfolding in harmony with the rhythms of the earth. And as dawn waits beyond the horizon, the fox carries on, guided by instinct, shaped by experience, and connected deeply to the world it calls home.